You don't need $1 million to build a real business. You can start small, get customers, and scale from there. But the hard part isn't starting. It's figuring out what to sell, finding customers, and turning small jobs into something bigger. Our first example is residential cleaning, a simple service business that can start small and grow through repeat customers. You could use the money for basic equipment and supplies, while keeping a portion available for transportation and finding customers. Your first customers don't need to come from a huge advertising campaign. Start with your local area and make your offer easy to understand. Once someone responds, focus on doing an excellent job. Your first few customers are more than income, they're your reputation. A satisfied customer can lead to referrals. Over time, a few good jobs can turn into a steady stream of local customers. But eventually, something changes. More customers means more work, and one person only has so many hours in a day. Instead of turning away customers, Alex can eventually hire his first employee and train them to deliver the same service. Now Alex isn't just selling his own time. He's beginning to build a business that can operate with a team. Once you have a team, you need systems, scheduling, checklists, payments, customer records, and clear standards for every job. With reliable systems and trained employees, one small cleaning operation can eventually handle many more customers than one person could alone. At this point, it's no longer just a side hustle. Depending on your location and business structure, you may need formal registration, insurance, licenses, and proper bookkeeping. Once the operation is stable, the company can pursue larger clients, such as offices, property managers, and other commercial spaces. The real value comes from recurring contracts. Instead of constantly searching for new customers, the company can build predictable repeat business. What started with basic equipment and one person can eventually become a real local company, with employees, systems, recurring customers, and room to grow. Another opportunity is mobile car detailing, a service you can take directly to the customer's driveway. The key advantage is that you don't need to rent a shop. You can bring the service directly to the customer.
A basic setup can focus on essential cleaning equipment and supplies, while keeping some money available for marketing and unexpected costs.
To get your first customers, show people the difference your service can make. Before and after photos can become powerful local marketing. Before setting a price, calculate your costs, your travel time, and the value of the service. Your price has to leave room for profit. A great first service can lead to repeat appointments. Regular customers can make the business more predictable and valuable. Then the same problem appears again. Demand grows, but Alex only has 2 hands and a limited number of hours. Instead of turning customers away, Alex can eventually hire and train another detailer to handle additional appointments. With trained workers, consistent service standards, and organized scheduling, one mobile operation can eventually serve many more customers. Once the core service works, useful add-ons can increase the value of each customer. After building a strong local reputation, the company can also approach businesses with multiple vehicles and offer professional fleet detailing. A recurring fleet agreement can give the company scheduled work, while the team handles multiple vehicles more efficiently. Growth becomes easier when the business has clear schedules, checklists, pricing, and consistent service standards. What started as one person with basic equipment can eventually become a real mobile detailing company. Now consider another low-cost opportunity: window cleaning, a service many homeowners don't want to handle themselves. Window cleaning can start with basic tools, keeping the initial investment relatively small. Start locally, show your results, and make it easy for nearby homeowners to request a quote. Great service can turn one-time jobs into repeat customers, especially when homeowners need regular window cleaning. When bookings consistently exceed your available time, doing every job yourself becomes the limit to growth. At this stage, hiring and training a reliable worker can help the business accept more jobs. With trained workers and organized scheduling, the business can gradually serve more customers without Alex doing every job.
Once the local business is established, commercial storefronts can become another source of customers. Recurring commercial accounts can provide scheduled work instead of relying only on one-time residential jobs.
With repeat customers, trained workers, and reliable systems, a simple service can grow into a larger local company.
The real lesson isn't which business you choose. It's how you turn a simple service into a repeatable, profitable operation.
Don't rush to spend every dollar. Protect your cash, test the business, and reinvest when demand proves the opportunity. If you had $1,000 today, would you invest it or build something with it? Subscribe for more practical business ideas.